Level 56 here, and we're going to be showcasing this.
I don't know who's more simple, the dog or your dad. Huh? Who's funnier?
My dad. Especially when he teams up with Bongo. That's when it's a limit. Try not to laugh. He's on camera. You are too.
I'm not going to save you.
Come here. You okay? Yeah. One of those strings.
We'll get it out eventually.
Yeah.
So you're not going to play anymore?
Not while he's choking like that, sweetie.